Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today for another video. Today we are in Düsseldorf, Germany, in the largest boat show in the world. If you like boats or water sports, then you have to make it a bucket list item to come over here and experience the sheer magnitude and scale of this massive boat show. Anyway, in this video, I want to show you our top 4 updates from Axopar and Brabus Marine. Now, usually Alejandro would be on camera, but he's quite busy with the rest of the Nautical Ventures team that flew over from Florida. They're meeting all sorts of representatives and brands and exploring new partnership deals as well. So they're out walking the show. It's a very big show. It's like 17 different halls. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Adrian and I'm a filmmaker and I'm actually Alejandro's brother, and we started this channel together. I actually produce the videos and I also help manage our social media content on the channel as well. So it's really cool for me to be here on camera for you guys. But enough of that, let's jump right away into our top 4 updates from Axopar and Brabus Marine here at Boot Düsseldorf. Kicking off the list at number 4 is the Axopar 22 or Revolve 22 as shown here in Düsseldorf with the T-top. The entry-level line of Axopar was released in 2021 with much success internationally. However, we have heard from many Axoparians and boaters that the hull does not actually look like an Axopar. To address this, Axopar updated the 22-foot boat with a rub rail all around the hull, albeit a much smaller one than the traditional rub rails found on the larger models that give Axopars that classic tender look. Regardless, for us any rub rail is better than no rub rail, and now the boat has a much more aesthetically pleasing look that really makes it pop. Not to mention, it's just practical from a docking perspective, and for that the Axopar 22's new rub rail gets the number 4 spot. Moving up to number 3, we have an unusual update. We have the 2 new dive watches that Brabus released in partnership with Panerai. Now I know what you're probably asking. Why is he talking about watches in a video about boats? And the reason is, these are not your ordinary watches. Brabus represents the pinnacle of luxury and performance, and so it's no surprise that in the 3 years of development together with Panerai, they updated the classic submersible line with the first ever skeleton automatic caliber with the release of the Submersible S Brabus Black Ops Edition that matches the Shadow 900 Black Ops Edition. Fast forward a year, and in Brabus' home show in Germany, they have now updated the colors of the Black Ops Edition and added an experience package that includes a 2-day trip to Mallorca and Ibiza in Spain, where you can race Brabus boats and cars for a grand total of $85,000. The second watch they released is the 52,000 Submersible S Brabus Verde Militare Edition, which shares a range of key features introduced by its predecessors, but is unique with its 47mm case crafted with Carbotech, a composite material that is lighter than steel or titanium, yet strong and resistant to corrosion. Production will be limited to 200 watches, and the color also matches the new Shadow 900 Stealth Green Signature Edition, which leads us to the next update on this list. Our runner-up for the top 4 is the latest Signature Edition in the Brabus Shadow lineup. Last year, Brabus Marine launched the Black Ops Signature Edition to much success, but not without critics in hotter climates that a black boat is just unusable when the sun is out. Well, now Brabus Marine debuted last week the Stealth Green Signature Edition, which we believe will be even more successful in the US in the sun top configuration as shown here in Düsseldorf. What's special about this update too is for the first time Brabus is matching the twin Mercury 450 racing engines with the same paint color. This is something we had wanted to see for a long time, as it's very common in the US for high-end boats to have the hull and engines matching color. For now, it's a feature that is limited to the Stealth Green Signature Edition, but we hope they start offering it as an option on other models and colors. The Aftt storage compartments also got a small refresh. They now feature larger and more prominent Brabus branding in a matte carbon fiber finish. Overall, these updates make the Brabus Shadow 900 look even more badass, making it really stand out, which is the whole reason why a high-end boater would get a Brabus Shadow in the first place. And for that, the Brabus Shadow 900 Suntop Stealth Green Signature Edition gets second place. Our winner in this video is unquestionably the new aft cabin on Axopar's flagship, the triple-powered Axopar 45. While we've known since the launch of the boat in Panama last May that one of the layouts would feature an aft cabin, this is the first time it actually gets unveiled to the public aside from renderings. And we must say we are impressed at the sheer size and comfort inside of it. So much so that we can see how some boaters might find it too large to the point where it limits walking space on the aft of the boat. However, one of the main reasons that make Axopar so special is that they offer a broad range of layouts that will allow you to customize the boat to your particular needs. So if you have a family and want to overnight in comfort, this layout is an absolute winner. You enter the aft cabin from the main lounge just like in the smaller models by lifting the rear seat cushion. Right away you can tell there is a lot more space as you don't have to crouch as much as you have to in the smaller models. You can fit around 4 to 6 people comfortably seated in a lounge U-shaped configuration, or you can sleep 3 people comfortably once the bed cushion is in place. There's also a generous closet inside the aft cabin that can be turned into an optional head, which would certainly not be as spacious and comfortable as a full-size head and shower in the front, but at least provides the extra comfort of each cabin having its own dedicated toilet. The cabin also has a full-size window facing the triple Mercury engines, which is a nice feature to have as it provides more visibility and light than the smaller side windows in other models. However, in the show they displayed it with clear glass, which does not offer much privacy. I wouldn't be surprised if in the future they tint that window or add shades like in the smaller models. And the last thing we love about the 45 aft cabin is the massive size of lounging space that it provides with the sunbed above it. You can easily fit comfortably about 4 to 5 adults to soak up the sun and enjoy the views. And for all those reasons, the Axopar 45 aft cabin is our favorite update from Axopar and Brabus Marine here at the Düsseldorf Boat Show. So that's our top 4 updates from Axopar and Brabus Marine here at Boot Düsseldorf in Germany. Just to recap the list, we love that the Axopar 22 now looks more like its bigger siblings with that rub rail. Moving up to number 3, we saw 2 new additions of the Panerai submersible Brabus Marine watches. The runner-up today is the new stealth green color scheme seen on the Shadow 900 ST. And the winner today is the all-new aft cabin on the Axopar 45. This adds a ton of comfort and space to this amazing boat, and we can't wait to get this version back in Miami to try overnighting in it. So what did you think about that list? Let us know in the comments below if you agree with that ranking. These are not all the updates released in this show, but rather the most relevant to the US market and also our favorite. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please give us a hand with the algorithm by giving it a like, and also please consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the future fun videos like our first trip to the Bahamas on an Axopar. We've got a lot more cool trips planned for this year. We can't tell you all about it yet, but we would love for you to join us on the ride. It's going to be really, really fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.